Announcing the discovery, Zambezi Governor Alfaya Samphofu called upon enterprising companies and investors to participate in the next stage of pursuing the discoveries for the betterment of the region, the country, and the global family. Samphofu said the region is traditionally and predominantly known as an agriculture and wildlife zone supported by tourism, ignoring other prospects related to mineral endowment and mining.
Potential mineral extraction activities for aluminium, cobalt, titanium, manganese, vanadium, nickel, iron, copper, tantalum, chromium, silicon, zirconium, and many more that are classified as critical minerals for the modern world to achieve the decarbonization goal by 2040. These are the minerals, critical minerals here in Zambezi.
Samphofu also appreciated the fact that the Minister of Mines and Energy allowed local participation in the mineral exploration.
It is against this background I'm delighted to take this opportunity to make the discovery officially disclosed and to invite interested investors world over to look into the prospects of the critical mineral presence identified in Zambezi region.
Samphofu appealed to all stakeholders to continue supporting the efforts of the exploring company as it embarks on an extensive drilling stage to quantify their findings, which could result in establishment of various mines. The exploration company Zeta Dice Diamond Resources Chief Executive Officer Philip Mate pointed out that the critical minerals are widely used in renewable energy applications.
The critical minerals are found on EPO 6952. This EPO stretches all the way from Kamenga up to the direction of Nupa, all the way down to Batuwaja, the whole of that stretch. And that belt, we followed it, is a belt which goes up to Zambia and goes further into Angola, up to somewhere in Sierra Leone. That is where we are doing exploration for now.
The founder of the exploration company, Clarina Dice, is happy that her efforts have paid off, as many people will be employed if all goes according to prospects.
I believe in myself that whatever has been spent, wasted or lost, is now water under the bridge, and that my only survival is confidence and determination and nothing else.
Dice also appreciated the support she received from Zambezi regional governor and traditional authorities in the region. Sililombiana, NBC News, Katima Mdilo.